These are all the parts with this John Deere 420 Navy tractor, and just going to walk around rather than try to take pictures of everything. But here's a dash. It's basic. It's new. Just has a little dust on it. And in this box is several things. Spark plugs, just a bunch of extra stuff. They had everything here as far as we know. There's all ready for paint and restoration. There's a new muffler in here. This is some sort of a cap there. I'm not a John Deere expert. There's a cover which could be, looks like a shaft cover of some sort, maybe PTO related, but there's a John Deere part number on there. Let me see, whatever that is, M2065-T. Okay, there's other gaskets in here. There's another air thing. Here's a gaskets something. Gasket set with seal. There's some gaskets in there that's been opened and maybe used. There's a shroud related piece. This is the drawbar here, and brand new and packing, it looks like. New steering wheel. I thought there was a steering wheel on that. I'll have to check if that was not new, but okay, there's a starter, looks like, for some reason. And here's a nice toolbox ready for paint. Here's the drawbar frame ready for installation. Some lights. There's a new light in here, at least one. There might be some new lights in the bottom of here. There's a cap of some sort, and it looks like a lot of new parts and extras to go with it. So, if any questions, let us know. Thank you.